Hello friends, hello children. Welcome to my channel BSG Liberal Edu Point. फ्रेंड्स, आज मैं आपके लिए जातक कथाएं लेके आया हूँ। जातक स्टोरीज़, आप जानते हैं जातक स्टोरीज़ बहुत पुराने सालों से चलती आ रही हैं और स्टोरीज़ को लोगों ने अलग अलग तरीके से लिखा हुआ है। लेकिन आज जो मैं स्टोरी आपको ये इसमें बताने जा रहा हूँ, इसके इंग्लिश वर्जन भी है, हिंदी वर्जन भी है। और हिंदी में अगर आपको ये स्टोरी आपको चाहिए सुननी है आपको स्टोरी, तो मेरा एक चैनल है, इसमें आप देखिए पौराणिक लोक कथाएँ। ये जो है मेरा क्या है, एक चैनल है पौराणिक लोक कथाएँ। इसमें आप स्टोरीज़ को जो है हिंदी में सुन सकते हैं और ये बच्चों को भी आप जो है ये स्टोरीज़ आप जो है सुना सकते हैं। ठीक है, आप जो है बच्चों को कहते हैं ना सोते वक्त स्टोरी सुनाते हैं। पौराणिक लोक कथाएँ, इसमें आप जो है ये स्टोरी हिंदी में आप सुन सकते हैं। चलिए मैं इसको स्टार्ट करता हूँ स्टोरी को। यहाँ पे मैं आपको हिंदी का इसका बिल्कुल मीनिंग नहीं बताऊँगा, आपको समझना है। अगर आपको कहीं पे कोई दिक्कत होती है प्लीज़ मुझे कमेंट में आप लिख के दीजिए, मैं आपकी पूरी हेल्प करूँगा। स्टोरी इस तरह से है, द मंकी एंड द क्रोकोडाइल। अ मंकी लिव्ड इन अ ग्रेट ट्री ऑन अ रिवर बैंक। In the river there were many crocodiles. A crocodile watched the monkeys for a long time, and one day she said to her son, "My son, get one of those monkeys for me. I want the heart of a monkey to eat. How am I to catch a monkey?" asked the little crocodile. "I do not travel on land, and the monkey does not go into the water. Put your wits to work, and you will find a way," said the mother crocodile. And the little crocodile thought and thought. At last, he said to himself, "I know what I will do. I will get that monkey that lives in a big tree on the river bank. He wishes to go across the river to the island where the fruit is so ripe." So the crocodile swam to the tree where the monkey lived, but he was a stupid crocodile. "Oh monkey," he called, "come with me over to the island where the fruit is so ripe." "How can I go with you?" asked the monkey. "I do not swim." "No, but I do. I will take you over on my back," said the crocodile. The monkey was greedy and wanted the ripe fruit, so he jumped down on the crocodile's back. "Off we go," said the crocodile. "This is a fine ride you are giving me," said the monkey. "Do you think so? Well, how do you like this?" asked the crocodile, diving. "Oh, don't," cried the monkey as he went under the water. He was afraid to let go, and he did not know what to do under the water. When the crocodile came up, the monkey sputtered and choked. "Why did you take me underwater, crocodile?" he asked. "I am going to kill you by keeping you under the water," answered the crocodile. "My mother wants monkey heart to eat, and I am going to take yours to her." I wish you had told me you wanted my heart, said the monkey. Then I might have brought it with me. How queer, said the stupid crocodile. Do you mean to say that you left your heart back there in the tree? That is what I mean, said the monkey. If you want my heart, we must go back to the tree and get it. But we are so near the island where the ripe fruit is. Please take me there first. Oh, no, monkey, said the crocodile. I will take you straight back to your tree. Never mind the ripe fruit. Get your heart and bring it to me at once. Then we will see about going to the island. Very well, said the monkey. But no sooner had the jump onto the bank of the river than whisk up he ran into the tree. From the topmost branches, he called down to the crocodile in the water below. My heart is way up here. If you want it, come for it. Come for it. The monkey soon moved away from that tree. He wanted to get away from the crocodile so that he might live in peace. But the crocodile found him far down the river, living in another tree. Oh, in the middle of the river was an island covered with fruit trees. Halfway between the bank of the river and the island, a large rock rose out of the water. The monkey could jump to the rock and then to the island. The crocodile watched the monkey crossing from the bank of the river to the rock and then to the island. He thought to himself, the monkey will stay on the island all day and I will catch him on his way home at night. The monkey had a fine feast while the crocodile swam about, watching him all day. Toward night, the crocodile crawled out of the water and lay on the rock, perfectly still. When it grew dark among the trees, the monkey started for home. He ran down to the river bank and there he stopped. What is the matter with the rock? The monkey thought to himself. I never saw it so high before. The crocodile is lying on it. But he went to the edge of the water and called, Hello, rock. No answer. Then he called again, Hello, rock. 3 times the monkey called. And then he said, Why is it, friend rock, that you do not answer me tonight? Oh, said the stupid crocodile to himself, the rock answers the monkey at night. I will have to answer for the rock this time. I will have to answer for the rock this time. So he answered, Yes, monkey, what is it? The monkey laughed and said, Oh, it's you, crocodile, is it? Yes, said the crocodile. I am waiting here for you. I am going to eat you. You have caught me in a trap this time, said the monkey. There is no other way for me to go home. Open your mouth wide so I can jump into it. Now the monkey well knew that when crocodile open their mouths wide, they shut their eyes. While the crocodile lay on the rock with his mouth wide open and his eyes shut, the monkey jumped, but not into his mouth. Oh no! He landed on the top of the crocodile's head and then sprang quickly to the bank. Up he whisked into his tree. When the crocodile saw the trick the monkey had played on him, he said, Monkey, You have great cunning. You know no fear. I will let you alone after this. Thank you, crocodile, but I shall be on the watch for you just the same, said the monkey. So, monkey saved his life from the crocodile by with his cleverness. So, this is the story of crocodile and a monkey. So, please enjoy it and like it, share it and subscribe it. थैंक यू वेरी मच। और जैसे मैंने आपसे कहा, हिंदी में जानने के लिए आप स्टोरी आपने सुननी है हिंदी में, तो मेरा जो चैनल है उसमें आप जा सकते हैं, पौराणिक लोक कथाएं हैं, वहाँ से आप इसका हिंदी वर्जन सुन सकते हैं। थैंक यू वेरी मच।